Mesothelioma is a malignant cancerous disease of the mesothelium, which in essence is the surrounding protective tissue surrounding the lungs, surrounding the heart, surrounding the liver and the abdominal organs and the abdominal cavity. It is a rare disease. It only happens in about 4,000 new cases a year, and it's a unique cancer in that there's a causative agent, which is asbestos and asbestos particles, as well as other dust and other fibers, but predominantly asbestos. The three types of mesothelioma are pleural mesothelioma, pericardial mesothelioma, and mesenteric mesothelioma. And that basically is this similar disease process. It's just a matter of the location where it's at, whether it involves the pleura, the pericardium, or the intra-abdominal structures. Often pleural mesothelioma also incorporates pericardial mesothelioma as the same process. Those two are often related. In the abdominal mesothelioma, it can be a little bit more of a different process, but you can have both of them simultaneously as well. So they're different types, but it's more based on a location. Pleural means that the tumor arises in the pleura, which is the tissue that protects and surrounds the lungs. The pericardium is the tissue that surrounds the heart and acts as a protective barrier for the heart.
Right.
And the peritoneal is the protective tissue in the abdomen. It surrounds the liver and your bowel and the other organs in your abdomen. The majority of mesotheliomas are pleural mesotheliomas.